Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Lave token. Now the Lave token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Ton blockchain. There is a total supply of 4,600,000,000 Lave tokens. Now, you can check out their Ton scan at tonscan.org. And the full name of the token here is Dedust, but ticker symbol is Lave, L-A-V-E. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing July 26th at 12 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search LAVE, and then simply just buy the token. So it gets listed July 26th at 12 o'clock UTC time. So it says the idea behind the Lave token is to create a decentralized token that DeFi community needs an example of a decentralized and distributed cryptocurrency with a low-cost measure of value. In this way, we will speed up people's learning to use the decentralized finance, and the token is on the Ton blockchain. Lave network is perfect for Ton. This is a universal token for use in all three areas of the decentralized internet in the Ton blockchain, Web3, Telegram bots, Ton sites, etc. Lave is currently a decentralized token. At the moment, 95% of the token belongs to the community, and a community of 22,000 addresses on the Ton blockchain. So they do have a web page here, which is at lavetoken.com. Over there, you can find a white paper that'll take you over to lavetoken.com/whitepaperlave.pdf. They have a Twitter and Telegram as well. Their Twitter is at @lave_token, and their Telegram is at @lavechats. Now, their Telegram has 7,681 members, so they're very well established here on Telegram. Same with their Twitter, has 7,692 followers, so they're doing pretty well on both of their socials there. Now, if you head over to their webpage, you can click on changing the language from English to Russian. There's a roadmap, white paper, trading, Lave button, all sorts of different things here. So their white paper isn't too extensive. It's only 10 pages long. It says the word Lave is a Roma that means money. It has become firmly embedded in the slang of the Russian languages and other cis languages. Levandos is the derivative of the word Lave. There is a choice among many slang words, and I liked these two, which I used in my project. I will use the designation Lave in the text. So obviously this is translated from Russian, and that's why the grammar's off on here. It sounds kind of funny when you read it, but I mean, obviously this person tried their best though. So Lave is an altcoin on the Ton network. It's also called the Open Network Token. Ton is a blockchain-based decentralized computer network with a built-in proxy and an anonymized darknet platform built on the principle of an overlay peer-to-peer network with messaging services for TON cryptocurrency payment transactions, as well as data storage function and an open system for distributed applications. The TON concept was developed by the Durov brothers, who have raised several $1 billion in investments for the project and have planned to move their popular messenger Telegram to TON. So, talks about TON in more detail, but we don't need to go over that. It says, Lave, like Toncoin, uses smart contracts and sharding in the TON network. Lave is an alternative coin in the TON network that has virtually all the same properties as Toncoin. So they go over what is a problem that a lot of cryptocurrencies have. They talk about Litecoin here being an old example of a problem, but a lot of people do like Litecoin. Litecoin is halving soon, by the way. I'm going to update you guys on when that's going to be. It's in a few days. Just like Bitcoin has a halving day, so does Litecoin. So that's on the way soon. But anyways, we're not talking about Litecoin in this video. It says, how does distribution take place? Well, Lave will be distributed to active addresses on the TON network. If you have received Lave at your address, then you are on our list of active Toncoin members. The list was created December 19th, 2022. You can also exchange Lave on decentralized exchanges, and now, as of the 26th, you can get it on Mexc Global. So what are the benefits of Lave? It says, observing other tokens, I found that very few people use decentralized exchanges. After giving Lave away a huge audience of the most active TON users, we will bring many users to decentralized exchanges. With the coins available, they will quickly learn how to use and apply them in various areas of decentralized finance at the very beginning of its development path. By distributing Lave tokens to the masses, we will bring them to DeFi faster. So it goes over the issuing amounts of tokens here and the amount of Toncoin wallets, allocation, stuff like that. Now there is a Lave roadmap as well. We'll just go over this quickly. So it started in Q4 2022 with starting the first stage of distribution, creation of a bot, listing on the Telegram bot, publishing the token on a whitelist on GitHub, completion of initial sales, listing on Dedust.io. Then this year they started with completion of the first stage of distribution, forming communities on Telegram, creating the popular LaveToken.com website, creating games and apps in Telegram, listing on decentralized exchanges, team distributing tasks, initiation, completion of the second stage and third stage of distribution, listing on more exchanges, and then Q2, Q3 this year, listing on central exchanges like Mexc Global, increase the audience, and education course on cybersecurity, and then more coming soon. So check out this token. It goes live on Mexc Global July 26th at exactly 12 o'clock UTC time. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Lave? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.